First rule. The sun rises in the east. Sentence. The sun rises in the east. Why do we use the? We use the because there is only one sun. The sun is unique. Everyone knows which sun we are talking about. We don't say a sun because there isn't just any sun. There is only one sun in our solar system. Rule. Use the before unique things. Examples. The sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. More examples. The moon is beautiful tonight. The earth goes around the sun. The sky is blue. Remember, if there is only one of something, we usually use the. Second rule. I watched the movie you recommended. Sentence. I watched the movie you recommended. Why do we use the? We use the because we are talking about one specific movie. The words you recommended tell us exactly which movie. The listener already knows which movie we mean. That's why we say, the movie, not a movie. Rule. Use the when the noun is specific or already known. If both the speaker and the listener know exactly which person or thing we are talking about, use the. Compare. I watched a movie yesterday. We don't know which movie. It could be any movie. Now look at this. I watched the movie you recommended. Now the movie is specific. You recommended tells us exactly which movie. More examples. I met the teacher you told me about. The teacher is specific. She bought the dress we saw yesterday. Both people know which dress. He found the keys on the table. We know which keys. Remember, ask yourself this question. Do I know exactly which person or thing I'm talking about? If the answer is yes, use a. If the answer is no, you usually use a or an. Quick tip. Specific equals the. Not specific equals aran. This is one of the most important rules for using teji correctly. Third rule. She is the best student in our class. Sentence. She is the best student in our class. Why do we use the? We use the because best is a superlative adjective. A superlative shows that one person or thing is number one in a group. There can only be one best student in the class. That's why we say, the best student, not a best student. Rule. Use the before superlative adjectives. Common superlatives. The best, the tallest, the fastest, the biggest, the oldest, the youngest, the most beautiful. More examples. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. This is the biggest building in our city. He is the fastest runner on the team. Today is the hottest day of the week. Compare. She is a good student. There are many good students. She is the best student. Only one student is the best. Remember, when you use words like best, biggest, tallest, oldest, fastest, most interesting, always use a before them. Quick tip. Superlative equals a. If something is number one in a group, always use a. Fourth rule. We went to the park yesterday. Sentence. We went to the park yesterday. Why do we use the? We use the because we are talking about a specific park. The speaker and the listener both know which park they are talking about. It is not just any park. It is the park they both know. That's why we say, the park, not a park. Rule. Use the when both the speaker and the listener know exactly which person, place, or thing you mean. The noun is specific, not general. Compare. We went to a park yesterday. This means any park. The listener does not know which park. Now look at this. We went to the park yesterday. This means a specific park. Both people know which park. More examples. Let's meet at the restaurant near my house. Both people know which restaurant. I'll wait for you at the bus stop. The bus stop is already known. She is in the kitchen. Both people know which kitchen. Remember, ask yourself, does the listener know exactly which place or thing I mean? If yes, use the. If no, use a or an. Quick tip. Known place equals the. Unknown place equals an. Always use te when you are talking about a specific place that both people know. Fifth rule. He plays the guitar very well. Sentence. He plays the guitar very well. Why do we use the? We use the because English normally uses te before the names of musical instruments. When we talk about someone's ability to play an instrument, we usually say, play the guitar, play the piano, play the violin, play the drums, play the flute. So the correct sentence is, he plays the guitar very well. Not, he plays a guitar very well. Rule. Use te before the names of musical instruments when talking about playing them. More examples. She plays the piano every day. My brother plays the violin. They are learning the drums. Can you play the flute? Compare. I bought a guitar yesterday. Here, a guitar means one guitar. We are talking about the instrument as an object. I play the guitar. Here, we are talking about the skill of playing the instrument, so we use techi. Remember, ask yourself, am I talking about playing a musical instrument? If the answer is yes, use te. Quick tip. Play the guitar. Play the piano. Play the violin. Play the drums. When talking about musical instruments, the is the correct choice. Sixth rule. The children are playing in the yard. Sentence. The children are playing in the yard. Why do we use the? In this sentence, the is used twice because both nouns are specific. First, the children. We are talking about specific children, not children in general. The speaker and the listener both know which children they are talking about. Second, the yard. We are talking about one specific yard. It is not just any yard. It is the yard that both people know. Rule. Use te when the person, place, or thing is specific or already known. If both the speaker and the listener know exactly what you mean, use techi. Compare. Children are playing outside. This talks about children in general. The children are playing outside. Now we are talking about specific children. Another example. There is a yard behind my house. This means any yard or a yard mentioned for the first time. The yard is very beautiful. Now we know exactly which yard we are talking about. More examples. The students are studying in the classroom. Specific students and a specific classroom. The teacher is talking to the parents. Specific teacher and specific parents. The dog is sleeping in the garden. A specific dog and a specific garden. Remember, ask yourself, do both people know exactly who or what I'm talking about? Seventh rule. The earth moves around the sun. Sentence. The earth moves around the sun. Why do we use the? We use te because the earth and the sun are unique. There is only one earth and one sun in our solar system. Everyone knows exactly which earth and which sun we are talking about. That's why we say, the earth, the sun, earth, a sun. Rule. Used before unique objects in nature. These are things that exist only once or are understood as unique in the context. More examples. The moon shines at night. The sky is blue today. The world is changing every day. Compare. I saw a star last night. There are millions of stars, so we use a because it is not specific. The sun is a star. There is only one sun for our solar system, so we use TG. Another example. I found a planet in my science book. Any planet. The Earth is our home. One specific planet. Remember. Ask yourself, is there only one of it? If the answer is yes, use a. Quick tip. Used it with many unique things, such as the Earth, the Sun, the Moon, the universe, the world, the sky. When something is unique, the is the correct article. 8th rule. She is reading the book I gave her. Sentence. She is reading the book I gave her. Why do we use the? We use to because I gave her tells us exactly which book we are talking about. There may be many books, but this sentence is talking about one specific book. The speaker and the listener both know which book it is. That's why we say the book, not a book. Rule. Used to when a noun is followed by extra information that makes it specific. Words or phrases after the noun often tell us exactly which person or thing we mean. Compare. She is reading a book. This means any book. We don't know which book she is reading. Now look at this. She is reading the book I gave her. Now we know exactly which book. The phrase I gave her identifies the book. More examples. I met the man who helped me yesterday. The words who helped me yesterday tell us which man. This is the phone I bought last week. The words I bought last week tell us which phone. She is wearing the dress her mother made. The words her mother made tell us exactly which dress. Remember. Ask yourself, does the sentence tell me exactly which person or thing it is? If the answer is yes, use a. Quick tip. When a noun is followed by information like I bought, you recommended, who called, that we saw, I gave, the noun becomes specific, so use a. Specific noun plus extra information equals the 9th rule. We visited the Eiffel Tower last summer. Sentence. We visited the Eiffel Tower last summer. Why do we use the? We used it because the Eiffel Tower is a famous landmark. Many famous buildings, monuments, and landmarks use the as part of their names. Everyone knows exactly which place we are talking about. That's why we say the Eiffel Tower, not an Eiffel Tower. Rule. Used it with many famous landmarks, monuments, and well-known places. These places are unique and easily recognized around the world. More examples. We walked along the Great Wall in China. They visited the Taj Mahal in India. She saw the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. Compare. We visited a museum yesterday. This means any museum. We don't know which museum. Now look at this. We visited the Eiffel Tower last summer. This means one famous, specific landmark in Paris. Everyone knows exactly which place it is. Remember. Ask yourself, is this a famous or unique landmark that everyone can identify? If the answer is yes, we often use techi. Quick tip. Used it with many famous landmarks, for example, the Eiffel Tower, the Great Wall, the Taj Mahal, the Golden Gate Bridge. When talking about a well-known, specific landmark, the is the correct article.